In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for new hire onboarding. Welcome aboard as we navigate this versatile project management tool to streamline your company's onboarding process. If you're looking to enhance your workplace efficiency and create a welcoming environment for your new hires, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how Clickup can be an invaluable ally in setting up a robust onboarding process for your team. Let's begin by creating a dedicated space within Clickup. Spaces in Clickup act like departments or sections, and in this case, we'll designate one specifically for onboarding new hires. Once the space is set up, give it an appropriate name, something simple and recognizable like new hire onboarding. Personalizing this space with logos or tailored descriptions could make it feel more engaging and welcoming for new team members. Next, we create a folder within our onboarding space. Think of this folder as a container for all onboarding activities and tasks. Name it clearly, something along the lines of onboarding tasks. This folder will help you stay organized, ensuring that each step in the onboarding process is accounted for and easy to find. Inside our newly created folder, it's time to add a few lists. Lists in Clickup serve as a way to segment tasks within a project, so create several lists that cover key aspects of the onboarding process. For example, you could have lists for pre-start preparation, first day agenda, and training modules. Each list represents a different phase or aspect of onboarding and keeps tasks organized. Now comes the fun part: adding tasks to these lists. Tasks are the building blocks of your onboarding process in Clickup, so let's take some time to explore what these tasks might entail. For instance, within the pre-start preparation list, you could have tasks like set up workspace, prepare equipment, or send welcome email. In the first day agenda, tasks might include office tour, team introduction, or HR orientation. Tasks related to training modules could cover anything from setting up software tools to company procedure training. Each task can be customized with due dates, assignees, and even priority levels to ensure it's completed on time. Remember, Clickup also offers powerful automation features that can make your onboarding process even smoother. You can set up automatic reminders or notifications to ensure tasks are completed without the manual hassle. And don't forget about templates, which allow you to save customizable tasks that you can reuse for future hires, saving you time and effort. To wrap things up, ensure your onboarding space and its contents are accessible to everyone involved in the onboarding process, from HR personnel to department managers. Review and make any necessary adjustments regularly to maintain an efficient, effective, and engaging onboarding experience. Thank you for joining me in this guide to using Clickup for onboarding new hires.